Hey guys, so I've got a couple kokanee here. I'm going to show you how to fillet them. They've been gutted already, so you don't have to worry much about that. But if you've never filleted kokanee, or frankly any trout or salmonoid, this is just how I do it. So again, it's been gutted. So I put a finger right in here into where the opened cavity is. You're going to see this little fin, toral fin. You take a knife and go right behind it. Make a slice, go right along where the collar is. Straight down, you'll hit the spine. Take the first third of your blade and just go right along. Nice and easy. And then just finish it off. So we'll trim out the rib bones here. That's a nice, healthy looking kokanee. And just flip it over. So you can do it this way, you can go like that. It's really up to you. I like to go in the exact opposite way. And then the same thing. Come up by that pectoral, remove it. Use the first third of your knife. Slice through. Remove the ribs. And pop the tail. And again, we'll trim off the fat right here that's off of the fin. And you can save the carcass. You can scrape this part just like any salmon, and you can save that to make like salmon patties, or you can fold them in half and use them for crawfish bait, which we might do for some point. But that's how I fillet your average trout or kokanee. I also do the same thing with larger salmon. So a little bit of practice and I'm sure you guys can do it too.